Yeah, this is my dog Rolly. As you can see, there's a leash tied to it. And he's running from it because he's scared of it, I'm pretty sure. He's going in a circle. Shit, I'm getting dizzy. Gonna stay in one spot. Oh. Hey, hold still. Do you want the leash or what? I'm lolling at this. This is fucking awesome. Okay, stop turning. Rolly, stop. Stop turning. Stop. Rolly, stop turning. Stop. Rolly. Why are you going in a circle still? Okay, he's scared of his own leash. Try that again. Go. Okay, I'll help you. Stop. No, stop. Okay, so, confirmed. He's scared of his own leash. Stop going in a circle! Okay. That was probably... Oh, he's scared of the leash still. Hello. Who are you? Hi.